Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this space flip effect using transition in CapCut PC. So go to media and import your images you like to edit, and I'm going to select past images, and I set for the image duration in 2.0 seconds for one clip. Alright, go to transition and select the space flip one. So this is for effect. You have to join properties to be able to use this effect. So just add to track, and you can adjust for duration in 1.0 second. Just click apply to all the clip. Go. You can add the effect. Just click effect and select the right, the let's sponge, and you can also add the audio to your clip. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.